This video shows how to install an optional hard disk drive into a Xerox VersaLink B620 printer. Press the Power button. Then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Remove the screw securing the right side cover. Open the right side cover. Open the box and remove the hard drive with the packaging. Remove the hard drive and instruction sheet from the bag and packaging. Remove the screw bag. Remove the hard drive from the static bag. Remove the screws from the bag. Remove the protective standoff covers from the hard drive. Route the hard drive cable under the circuit board. Plug in the hard drive cable. Position hard drive standoffs over the standoff hole. Then press the drive into the printer until it clicks. Install 2 securing screws. Close the right side cover and replace the securing screw removed earlier. Plug in both ends of your power cord. Power on the printer.